how do you do your marketing videos? Do you have a freelancer who charges bottom dollar for filming, editing? Or how about a college kid who's just getting started? I mean, these may work for now, but how reliable will your resource be over time or after college? I mean, I've seen videographers get started by charging really low prices, then they finally end up becoming burned out and they raise their rates. Or worse, they can't complete projects quickly because they're doing all of this stuff. They're filming, they're editing, they're animating, they're running their own business in the meantime. I mean, if you need a professional grade marketing video, but don't want to spend every last penny to hire a big company, Marketing Videos Club is here to meet you in the middle. We charge half the cost of a full production team, and here's how. We send you all the equipment you need and coach you on filming. Then we develop a script, you film it with our support of course, and we do the heavy lifting. We do the editing, the graphics, the music, everything. We even enhance your final video so it has this nice professional touch to it. Our team has far more capabilities than your average video guy, and we'll get your video done in record time. So click to learn more. We can't wait to be your go-to video team.